Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the third take on this. Just FYI, my cat decided to do some stuff. So this is the Spellbinders June Glimmer small and large die of the month that I get. These have just arrived for me. I love the theme. I think it's a sort of nautical sailor, that is nautical I suppose, sea kind of thing, and I love it. I think it's really cute and very cool. So the Glimmer of the month, you get the opal foil, which I believe from what I'm seeing, I mean you can see the sort of iridescence on there, but I believe it's almost like a clear foil when you take it off. So a tip from a couple of crafters is that because you would normally, as you unroll it, you would normally lay it face down, is to, the same way that you would do that with the coloured ones, which are easier to see, unroll it the same way and then cut it so you know which way it is, because apparently you cannot, it literally is see-through. So you wouldn't tell, you might not be able to tell which side is which. So but yeah, it just gives you that beautiful iridescent mother of pearl look in the background, so love it, love it. Speaking of the Glimmer, you get a full A2 size plate, and this is sort of like I guess like netting, and then there's a couple of sentiments that say happy birthday, cast a net full of wishes and throw your net wide this year. So birthday themed, very cool, and a coordinating die, which is great. So this is a sort of idea that you could do with this one, and I'm assuming this is the opal foil, and this one is called Castaway. Funny enough. There's a movie, just saying. Right, the small die of the month is super adorable. It's called Shipmates. And you have a whole bunch of dies here. Some of them look like they don't make any sense, but they all do. And you basically have a walrus and a, what is he? He's not a pelican, a seagull. Well, he might be a pelican. No, he's not a pelican, he's a seagull. And this is the kind of thing that you can make, so super cute. He's got a pipe, he can smoke, he's got a little jacket, so and their little hat. I think they both got little hats and little flags and things, so it's very sweet. So I'm very much in tune with the whole theme of this month's kit. So the large die of the month is called Sailor's Light, and this is more of a sort of scene building kind of thing. So you've got some mountains here that have got snow caps on them as well. Got a beautiful cloud there that you can either have plain or with the sort of decor bit in the middle, and then a few different little houses, the lighthouse being the main thing, some land, some sea, and little rocks. Lots of little rocks and things, and flags, and even the tiny little doors and windows. So cute. And that's sort of an idea of what you could do if you put all of those together. So you've got your little mountains there. Here's your lighthouse with the beams of light, which you can obviously, depending on how many you do or cut out, depends how much of a ray of light you want coming out of there. And if you do them in different like finishes, like foils and vellums, that kind of thing, you could get a completely different look going on. And then the little houses, like I say, there's the sea and the little bit of land, and then the rocks as well. But obviously you can combine these with the other ones. So with your walrus and stuff, you can make some really cute designs and things. And just FYI, I've run out of magnet, so this is normally magnet. This is normally how they sit. They don't come like this. This is just how I store them, in these little pockets with some magnet sheeting on a piece of chipboard. But I ran out of magnets, so I have to order some more of that before I can finish that. That's why they look a bit weird. So that's it. That's the kit for June 25 for Spellbinders. And yeah, until I get creating, have a good day. Till later, bye.